What's up everybody, I welcome you to Gamingtech, another computer, another update. We will be swapping out the power supply of this system. Afterwards we're gonna install the RTX 3060 Ventus card that I showed and did an unboxing of.
Okay, I catch this one.
It's fairly simple procedure, 4 screws, then we're gonna remove the 24 pin and the 8 pin of CPU. That's about it, and there's gonna be a SATA connection on this case. And then this system is gonna go on sale. As you know, we had 38 in this one, then we had 2060, and now we have 3060. Yeah, these cables, they were fairly simple to manipulate. So right now we're having 750 watt. We don't need that kind of power here, so 550 watt of Seasonic focus will do the job perfectly fine. It's really compact power supply, by the way. I really like it a lot. This is the mini studio looking so far. We got some towel, underneath is a computer case. Whatever I can grab and use, I'm basically using in this mini studio. I plan to make a fake wall. I don't know when I will finish that. We'll see. Both of them look very similar. I see no difference. Maybe there is weight difference. Who knows? Haven't checked though. One of them is 750 watt. Another one is 550 watt. Same procedure, 4 screws. Afterwards 24 pin, 8 pin. We just connect to the motherboard. I was fairly tired here. That's why this ended up taking extremely long for me. I have no idea. I was dropping screws. You know, after work when you come and do this kind of stuff in your pajamas, it's quite funny. I wanted to improve the cable management here. As you see, you don't need any kind of zip ties. If you want to use something to make it even more tidy, Velcro wraps does the job perfectly fine. Pay attention to this one. That's the SATA connection for the case itself. There we go, tuck that cable in. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. Who knows, maybe we might end up changing the CPU cooler also. Depends on the client what they want. There we go. This was extremely difficult to take out. I mean, actually not taking out. This was extremely difficult to plug back in because you're gonna ask me why there's a fan blocking it for me. No matter what I did, couldn't do it, so I have to remove the fan in order to reach that header. For the CPU header, basically. Sometimes stuff like this happens. You're tired and not everything goes as planned. Thermal paste has been updated on that CPU cooler also. So we're running RTX MX4. That's the header I'm talking about. Afterwards, gonna remove those brackets and install the GPU. That was also difficult for me, I don't know why. Normally it's like a 1-minute job. I was like, why can't I install this GPU properly? Make sure to do this. You're gonna hear that clicking sound, which is very important, knowing that your graphic card is installed correctly.
That's the click sound.
Exactly like that. Afterwards I will be putting the screws. For some reason didn't film that. And our system is ready. Gonna check that everything works perfectly fine. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. Like and share. It helps tremendous amount. Once this system goes off, you can suggest me which system you want me to test. I'm talking about the pre-builds, and we'll test another system. Let's go!